Welcome to our channel. Chase Ultimate Rewards points can be redeemed for travel through their portal powered by Expedia, often providing bonus value compared to cashback. Step 1. Log into your Chase account at chase.com and navigate to the Ultimate Rewards portal. Step 2. Click on Travel in the main menu to access the travel booking platform. Step 3. Select the type of travel you want to book, such as flights, hotels, car rentals, or vacation packages. Step 4. Enter your travel details, including destination, dates, and number of travelers or guests. Step 5. Browse the available options. Prices will be shown in both dollars and points. Step 6. Note the point value. Sapphire Reserve holders get 1.5 cents per point value. Sapphire Preferred gets 1.25 cents, while Freedom Cards get 1 cent per point. Step 7. Select your preferred flight, hotel, or rental car option and click Continue. Step 8. Choose whether to pay entirely with points, combine points and cash, or pay entirely with your card. Step 9. Enter traveler information, contact details, and any special requests or preferences. Step 10. Review your booking carefully, including dates, names, and payment method before completing the purchase. You'll receive confirmation via email and in your Ultimate Rewards account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.